Welcome back to Easy Click Learning. Ever tried merging two columns in Excel, only to lose your data the moment you delete the originals? Don't worry, I'll show you the right way to merge columns without losing anything. Okay, let's dive in. Here we have two columns, one with first names and another with last names. To merge them into a single column, we'll use the concat function. First, select the cell where you want the merged data to appear. Type equals concat. Open parenthesis. Select the first cell. Then add a comma. Inside the double quotation marks, type a space. This ensures the first and last names are separated instead of being stuck together. Add another comma, then select the second cell. Close the bracket. And hit enter. Now you'll see both columns combine into one cell. But here's something you need to know. If you leave the formula as it is, and delete the original columns, the merged data will disappear. To prevent that, select the merged column. Right-click and choose Copy. Right-click again on the same column. Go to Paste Special. And choose Values. Now click OK. This converts the formula into static text, meaning your merged data stays intact even if you delete the original columns. And now you can safely remove the first two columns without losing your combined data. And that's it. You just learned how to merge two columns in Excel while keeping your data safe. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your Excel questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.